युद्धबंदीवरून व्यापार बंदीची धमकी देणाऱ्या अमेरिकेचे राष्ट्राध्यक्ष डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प हे नरमले. ट्रम्प यांनी भारताचं कौतुक केलं. भारत आणि पाकिस्तान यांच्यातील संबंधांबाबतचं महत्त्व देखील त्यांनी अमेरिकेतल्या एका भाषणात सांगितलं. दोन्ही देशांमध्ये सध्या शांतता असल्याचं सांगत ही शांतता कायम राहावी अशी आशाही त्यांनी व्यक्त केली. डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प आता भारताबाबतच्या मुद्द्यावरून नरमलेले आहेत.
Both have very powerful leaders, very strong leaders, good leaders, smart leaders. And it all stopped. Hopefully it'll remain that way, but it all stopped. I was actually getting along. Maybe we can even get them together a little bit, Marco, where they go out and have a nice dinner together. Wouldn't that be nice? But we've come a long way, and it's could be, millions of people could have died from that conflict that started off small and was getting bigger and bigger and bigger by the day.